Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can post or record depreciation on QuickBooks accounting software from your fixed asset register. So to post depreciation, we need to go to Tools section and click on Fixed Assets. From here at the top we have multiple options, but we need to click on Depreciation. To post the depreciation, I need to scroll till bottom, and there is all my assets at the moment. And to post or record depreciation, I need to click on blue arrows available. So currently for first two assets, depreciation value has been recorded already, but not for my furniture table and not for my car. So let's post depreciation for car. I will click on this blue arrow and I can select create all. So now journal has been created successfully for my car for £325. If I go back to depreciation, there's 325 recorded for my car. If I try to click on my furniture table, I have also option to post a journal when it will be appear here, but because I put the depreciation start date will start from 1st of August for my table, that's why this asset is not available for depreciation. So in this episode I showed you how you can post depreciation journals on QuickBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.